12-year-old girl who can't stop sneezing. She sneezes about 12,000 times per day.
This 12-year-old girl suddenly started sneezing one day and somehow just couldn't stop, putting her in a terrifying situation.
All of a sudden it kind of started in just like little spurts.
Caitlin now averaging about 20 sneezes per minute.
It's really painful.
Because over time, the constant sneezing became extremely painful and completely took over her everyday life.
Can't eat well, has to sip, she can't drink.
Even in my dreams, I sneeze.
But even after countless medical tests, doctors still haven't been able to figure out what's causing it, and they fear it may only continue getting worse.
She can't go to school, she can't play her clarinet, the sneezing is just too distracting.
I just wanted to stop. It's been going on for way too